Hi Prolika, congratulations for clearing your technical round. How you are feeling?
Thank you, sir. I'm feeling very good, sir.
Okay, could you please share your experience before IT workshop and after IT workshop?
Before IT workshop, I really don't know anything about IT. After attending this workshop, I really got to know about IT sectors, roles and applications, and how they work in backend process.
Yeah, how much of knowledge are gained from the Techqflow software solutions in the IT workshop?
In IT workshop, I learned about roles, applications, environments, and SDLC, SDLC, Agile workflow.
Yeah, how my team are supported for you?
Very eco-friendly, sir. If we are asking doubts, they are telling very friendly, sir.
Yeah, could you please share your experience to our friends and audience?
If you are as a fresher, it is very useful to attend this workshop. It is very useful for freshers, and you gain more knowledge about the IT sector.
Yeah, finally, how much of rating?
5 out of 5.
Yeah, thank you so much for your presentation.
Thank you.